Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain how to get the Phantom wallet card. So let's get started. So first is you have to please keep in mind that Phantom Cash and the card is only available in the Phantom mobile application. And as of now, it's only exclusive to users in the United States. Though more countries are expected soon, but now to get the Phantom debit card, simply link a bank or debit card. So just click on the second option from the bottom, which is this one. And now this allows you to instantly add funds and start using them. And once you've got your funds in your Phantom Cash balance, you can now apply for the Phantom debit card. So the Phantom debit card lets you spend your Phantom Cash anywhere. It is Visa, you can link it to Visa, Apple Pay or Google Pay, or accept it as well. And right now, you will get access to a virtual card inside the application, and a physical card option is coming soon. But for now, in my case, as you can see, the only option that I have is to join the wait list. But for anyone else in the US, it's all going to be available. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!